anyone can be an artist. And we're gonna figure out how we can do that. Hi guys, I'm Carly, and this is Art with Carly. I like to draw with just a simple black pen. And you might like to draw with a pencil, a pen, a marker, but all you need to do right now is start with a pen and a piece of paper. And today we are going to start by drawing something simple like a cat. And the way I want to do this is by doing it in shapes. So what does a cat look like if we broke it down into shapes? So you have a circle, two triangles, and then another triangle in the middle, and some lines, and some maybe circles, and then maybe a half circle on each side. And then, should we draw the body? Okay. So then it's another circle. Then some ovals for the legs. And then maybe a long, skinny shape like that for the tail. And maybe we'll put some lines, details for the feet. And what do we have? We have a cat. And we just made a piece of art. Just like that, simple. Let's name the cat Bob. Why not? But you can name the cat anything you want. So I hope everyone enjoyed the quick little lesson, and go have fun.